Hey guys, what's up? We're back at it again with another video, and this time this is an amazing gluten-free wheat bagel, spinach, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich. All the information will be in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. So today I'll be using adobo, seasoning, spinach, American cheese, 2 eggs, onions, tomato, habanero, pepper, and garlic, and of course a wheat bagel to make this meal because it's so good, you guys. And I'm going to be using some unsalted sweet cream butter to fry my vegetables and some Philadelphia spread. You can use any spread of your choice. This is what I like, honestly. I cut up all my vegetables because I need to make sure they're diced and very well put together, incorporated in the meal. And I cut them and diced them very well and very fine, just like this. Then I put them in the frying pan and fry them up for at least 1 to 2 minutes. I still like my vegetables a little bit crunchy. That's just my preference. And I put my egg and my spinach together with my seasoning and mix it all up together just like that. Just mix it very well, and then I put them in the frying pan and fry this for at least 2 to 3 minutes actually. Make sure they're fried very well, and then voila, I plate everything together. This is so good, you guys, so easy. It takes less than 15 minutes to make this. I hope you guys love this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and follow me on TikTok. Thank you guys so much for all the support.